Hi, Mark from the Tipinators here. We're going to field strip this new prototype Tipman marker and show you what it's about. First, we're going to pull the grip off. Two pins, just like the X7. Grip off. Pull the last pin out. And pull the end cap. There's no spring in this. Set the end cap off. Basically, that's the back of the valving system. Pull the valve stop pin out. Flip it over. Spring-loaded pressure will push the cyclone feed hose back. When it goes back, pull it out. Just plugs in. Tip the gun up. That's the system. That's the entire firing system right there. Return spring, bolt. I'm going to put it back together now. Slide that in. Push it in. We're going to flip it over. Push it until we line up that hole. Plug the line in. Slide it ahead. Now we're going to put the valve pin. There's two O-rings on here. You have to be careful not to cut those. So we'll line up the hole. We're going to slowly wiggle that in. There we go. Back cap, like an X7, not spring loaded. Pin back in. Grip. Pin.